is told that there is a sequence a of n which says that a of n is equal to a of n minus 1 plus 20 and a of 0 is given to be 3. So we have a of 0 to be equal to 3, a of 1 will be equal to a of 0 plus 20 which is equal to 23, a of 2 will be equal to a of 1 plus 20 which is equal to 43, and similarly a of 3 will be equal to 63 and so on. If you are looking at it, the value of a of n will be equal to 20n plus 3. The value of b of n is given to be equal to 2n square plus 3n plus 1, and we are required to calculate the values of all n such that a of n is greater than b of n. So if a of n is greater than b of n, 20n plus 3 will be greater than 2n square plus 3n plus 1. What this would imply is that 2n square minus 17n minus 2 will be less than 0. So if you divide both sides with 2, you will have n square minus 8.5n will be less than 1, or n into n minus 8.5 will be less than 1. We are required to find out all the natural numbers and all the whole numbers for which this is true, and then calculate their sum. Now if you are looking at the product n into n minus 8.5, you know that when n belongs to 1 to 8, the value of n will be positive, but the value of n minus 8.5 will be negative. So the overall product when n belongs to 1 to 8 will be less than 0, and hence it will be less than 1. So initially the numbers that you can be sure which will fit this criteria are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now when n becomes equal to 9, what is the value of n into n minus 8.5? That will be equal to 9 into 0.5, which is equal to 4.5, which is greater than 1. So this doesn't satisfy the given inequality. Similarly, as n keeps on increasing from 9 to 10 and all, the product n into n minus 8.5 will also continue to increase. Therefore, for values of n greater than or equal to 9, this inequality is not satisfied. So the only numbers for which the given inequality is satisfied is from 1 to 8. And what is the sum of all the natural numbers till 8? They will be equal to 8 into 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 36. Remember the formula? The sum of the first n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 till n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. In this particular case, we are substituting n to be equal to 8, so it will be 8 into 9 by 2, which is 9 into 4, which is 36.